The price of Cardano has risen to a new all-time high of $1.7779 following reports that its creator, Charles Hoskinson, had dinner with Wyoming Governor Matt Mead. Welcome back to CryptoGeeks. In today's video, we will be looking into Cardano's price predictions. But before we get started, make sure to smash that subscribe button for your chance to win our monthly giveaway. Just comment down below "I sub" and you will be entered in the crypto giveaway. Check our about to find out what this month's giveaway is. Let's get started. Cardano is a cryptocurrency that trades under the symbol ADA. It is currently the fifth most valuable cryptocurrency, with a market capitalization of $56.17 billion. The Cardano blockchain was created with an idealistic vision in mind, as described on coinmarketcap.com. Cardano is a proof-of-stake blockchain network that aims to empower changemakers, innovators, and visionaries to effect lasting global change. Cardano, in a nutshell, is a decentralized application DApp development platform with a multiple asset ledger and verifiable smart contracts that are being developed as a pioneering proof-of-stake blockchain network. Cardano seeks to achieve the scalability, interoperability, and sustainability needed for real-world applications. By using the rigor of high-assurance formal development methods, Cardano is intended to be the platform of choice for large-scale, mission-critical DApps that will power the future economy. Cardano has a reputation for being free and transparent. Many of the research and technical requirements that underpin Cardano are publicly accessible, as is all of the Cardano development work. The Cardano Foundation is working hard to extend the ADA network's usefulness. The organization recently unveiled a new identity solution aimed at improving Ethiopia's education system. IOHK, the Cardano development team, announced a collaboration with the Ethiopian government to create a blockchain-based framework to monitor educational progress among Ethiopian students. Getachew Mekuria, the Minister of Education, announced that his department is interested in using blockchain technology to improve the quality of education. The Identity Solution Protocol would enable the federal agency to track school performance and improve education efforts across 3,500 schools with 5 million students and 750,000 teachers. The Ministry of Education will recognize areas of underachievement and assign resources accordingly by digital documenting and checking ratings. The Ethiopian workforce will benefit from the blockchain-verified digital qualification scheme, which is expected to eliminate fraudulent university and job applications while also increasing transparency. Prism, an identity solution developed by IOHK, is still in its early stages of growth. According to John O'Connor, IOHK's Director of African Operations, the platform will go live in January 2022. Cardano's ADA market value has increased more than 4.30% since the launch, increasing from $1.31 to a peak of $1.37. The in-out-of-the-money around price IOMAP model from Into the Block show that ADA is on a solid ground. Approximately 176,000 addresses bought 2.85 billion ADA at an average price of $1.21 in the past. In the event of a sell-off, such a huge demand wall might prevent prices from dropping. Holders in this price range will most certainly want to keep their investments from going out of the money. Cardano prices have a fair chance of rising further if the $1.21 support zone holds. The only price barrier that the bulls may face, according to the IOMAP cohorts, is $1.43. Approximately 20,000 addresses carrying 240 million ADA at this stage. On May 8, the creator of Cardano sent out a tweet showing him having dinner with Wyoming Governor Mark Gordon. Edward Scheidel, the president of Wyoming University, was among the other guests. The Cardano price has risen in response to what could be significant growth. The coin is currently trading at $1.7563, up 8.23%. The price hit a new high of $1.7779 earlier in the day. The tweet drew the attention of Binance Exchange CEO Changpeng Zhao, who said at the meeting, "The more these type of gatherings happen, the better relationship the crypto industry has with regulators and governments." Cardano sold for less than a nickel for most of 2020. That changed in the last month of last year when buying volumes increased. Bitcoin, Cardano, and other cryptocurrencies took off in February. Is Cardano a good buy at the moment? Neither investors nor speculators know how much the altcoin is worth. ADA was dubbed a hold by one reviewer who advised readers not to trade in. Cardano's momentum, according to another author, shows no sign of slowing down. Just a few days prior, the altcoin had dropped by 28% from its April 15 peak. The price of Cardano is determined by Bitcoin and to a lesser degree other cryptocurrencies. Investors must pay attention to the hourly news reports that affect the currency. Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, Nasdaq, TSLA, for example, has recently tweeted about Dogecoin. The Doge father SNL May 8. He simply wrote, his presence on the show would increase the number of people who follow him on Twitter. He would be able to move Dogecoin rates even higher as a result of this. Altcoin can be used by investors looking to benefit from Bitcoin. One strategy is to accumulate it, book the profits by selling altcoins, and then add it to Bitcoin and Ethereum. Speculators in cryptocurrencies may want to include Chainlink and Algorand in their portfolios. This will further diversify cryptocurrency assets. Investors will diversify their portfolios by purchasing publicly traded cryptocurrency exchanges. Voyager, for example, is strongly associated with the value of cryptocurrency, also with considering our Marathon Digital Holdings and Riot Blockchain. Riot Blockchain is a cryptocurrency mining firm. It contributes to the Bitcoin network by increasing the hash rate of Bitcoin mining. It also lowers the cost of production. Riot Blockchain purchased 42,000 S19j Antminers on April 7th. Its total hash rate increased to 7.7 EH per second. As a result of this, investors who purchase Riot stock are effectively investing in the cryptocurrency market's gold miners. Riot stock can be sold as a call option by astute investors. The stock, like the others listed, is extremely volatile and pays a high premium. Bitcoin and altcoin are in danger of collapsing, much like the notorious tulip crash in the Dutch Golden Age in 1637. However, an after-hours decrease of 5 to 10% is common for the currency. Throughout the years, a regular decline of 10% occurred on occasion, and Bitcoin has always come out on top in the last decade. Bears who bet on a prolonged correction missed out on the opportunity to buy altcoin on the cheap. Furthermore, the cryptocurrency is an unstoppable financial movement. Assuming that regulators do not intervene, the technology's prospects continue to improve. Cardano investors are good in shape. Polkadot is a decentralized blockchain that, like Cardano, is still in the early stages of development. Bears betting against Cardano will lose money if it succeeds. Cardano could have a higher long-term value than Bitcoin. The benefits of buying ahead of a correction in the altcoin far outweigh the risks of doing so. Despite its upside potential, Cardano faces stiff competition. Some competitors include Polkadot, Avalanche, and Solana. The decentralized application development platform is supported by a vibrant community in each of them. They have a working product as well. Cardano's roadmap is divided into 5 eras. The Cardano roadmap is a timeline of the cryptocurrency's growth, divided into 5 eras: Byron, Shelley, Gauguin, Basho, and Voltaire. Each age is defined by a collection of features that will be delivered over many code releases. Although the Cardano ages will be delivered in order, the work for each age is done in parallel, with testing, prototyping, and implementation happening at the same time across the various development streams. Each era's work is collected and summarized on its own page, reflecting years of effort. Here you'll find a summary of the era's objectives, as well as explanations of the main functional elements, links to related academic studies, status reports, and even real-time code commits. Finally, BitCasino.io accepts Cardano's ADA as a payment method. The more operators that accept Cardano's ADA cryptocurrency, the more valuable it becomes. Price prediction. The 12-hour chart of ADA USD shows a bullish outlook. As the coin is about to smash through a bull pennant, the upside break is expected to be validated by a 12-hour candlestick closing above the dropping trendline resistance at $0.6785, implying a test of the calculated pattern objective at $2.1225. The lifetime tops above which the $2 psychological level could serve as strong resistance could pose a challenge to the ADA bulls on their way to the ladder. The Relative Strength Index RSI has recovered and is currently floating about 66.50, heading north once more. The leading indicator means that there is more upside potential. If the seller returns, the increasing trendline support at $1.5706 is a good place to look for immediate support. If acceptance falls below the above, the bullish formation will be invalidated, implying a trend reversal. The $1.50 round figure is then the next best safety net for ADA buyers. The upward sloping 21 simple moving average SMA at $1.4495 would be on the minds of sellers further down. The optimist's last hope is expected to be Thursday's low of $1.4307. Overall, the ADA price seems to be following the route of least resistance to the upside. Takeaway: investors can use technical charts to guess what ADA is worth. It could also keep an eye on the prices of other cryptocurrencies and altcoins. This will not be a reliable indicator of Cardano's potential worth. Cardano is a promising cryptocurrency with a bright future. It is expected to play a significant role in the decentralized finance movement. And with that, it is time to end the video. We hope this session was informative. Do let us know in the comment section below. Subscribe for more content just like this one and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget to smash that like button and also press the bell icon to get notified about our new videos. Until then, fellas,